and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up Face ID with mask detection. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So on iPhones with Face ID, Apple has a feature that lets you unlock your phone while wearing a mask by focusing on the unique features around your eyes. So simply open the Face ID settings. You need to go to settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and now enable Face ID with a mask. Under Face ID setting, look for Face ID with a mask and turn the toggle to the right hand side. Now, you need to simply set up your Face ID. If you haven't set up your Face ID yet, you need to tap on Set up Face ID and position your face inside the frame. Now, you can also tap on Add Glasses, which is completely recommended and optional. And then you can simply lock your iPhone, put on your mask, and look at your iPhone. Now, Face ID should unlock normally. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.